Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the camera at the Samsung Galaxy M21. So the first tip I want to give you is to quick launch the camera. So by just double tapping the power button, you're immediately at the camera without searching for the camera app and so on. So pretty nice. So one more time, just tap the power button twice and you're immediately at the camera. And pretty cool is this works also in standby. So if your phone, also if the screen is off and so on, so just double tap the power button and you're immediately in the camera without missing time and so on. And by the way, if you're already in the camera, you can use also continue using the buttons. If you use the one down button, you can take pictures without using the shutter button here. So just tap here on the one down key and you took a picture as well. This works, by the way, also at videos. If you're tapping the one down key, you can start the video, and same, you can stop it as well if you tap the power button, the volume down button again. So the next thing I want to show you is about the camera again, because you're using just 12 MPs of the 48 megapixel camera. Yes, you're using just 12 MPs. So if you want to have the higher resolution, you have to go here on 324, and then you will have here the 324 with 48 MPs. Now you can shoot the pictures with the highest resolution the phone is supporting, but I would recommend you to use just 12 MP, which one is the default cam, because then the pictures become more dynamic and smooth. So let's go back here to go here to the 324, and then we have the basic cam with just 12 MPs. But if you want to make the highest resolution, also if you want to make pictures with the highest resolution, so just go in the 324 and go on 48 MPs. The next tool I want to show you is Bixby Vision. Bixby Vision is a tool to recognize things like buildings or tools and so on. It gives you more information about, but to be honest, that doesn't work so well right now. It takes a bit of time and so on, but it has another nice tool included. It's a translation tool. And this translation tool I want to show you. So just go here on more. So on this bar, you will see more here. Then go here on Bixby Vision on the top. And yeah, for the very first time, you have to enable some stuff and so on. I've installed it here already. And yeah, this is the magnification. So this is the one who recognizes things. Now he's recognizing my hand and so on and give me some information here on Pinterest. But as I said, this system will take a while, maybe 1 or 2 years again, and then it works, I guess it works very well. So a nice idea, by the way, but we want to have here the T. Go on this bar here to go on the T for translating stuff. So if you see this here, then just go here on rescan, and then the phone is translating the text here. And yeah, pretty cool because it's auto-detected. So it's auto-detected. So I have a German book here, and it realized that it's German and translating it now into English. And if I go here on the T, it will save the image and translates the text directly here and copy the text as well, the German one as well, the English one. And you can just copy it and use it. Perfect for your studies, perfect for holidays. So a very nice tool. The next feature is also very nice because we can also make selfies without pressing the shutter button and so on. So if you hold the phone like this and just hold your hand like this, your palm, and smile. And yeah, it took the picture automatically. So hold up your hand like me, right? And the picture and the photo is taking a picture of you. So nice, huh? Okay, for the next feature, I need my little friend here because I want to show you something about the cameras, because you have a main cam and the ultra-wide cam here as well. And yeah, that's the basic cam we have learned with 12 MPs. You can use also 48 MPs, of course. And yeah, if you're closer to objects like my hand, now it's not completely here on the picture. You can use the ultra-wide cam and you have much more range. As you can see, my hand is now here on the screen. And if I go back here on the main cam, you see the difference. It's the ultra-wide cam and the main cam. Yeah, but a better quality you will have, of course, at the main cam, but if you're very close to objects, you can use as well the ultra wide cam. Okay, for the next feature, I need my friend again here because I want to show you some filters here. If you're going on the magic stick here, then you can change the colors of the picture a bit. So this is the original one here, but you can make it also a bit more warm or more cool and so on and so on. And yeah, also gray stuff here. And if you want, you can also change the intensity here of it. So pretty nice. And for the ones who likes it, can also go here on the beauty mode. You have to enable it here first. And now you can change the jawline that you look more skinny and so on and so on. But to be honest, we can off it because you're beautiful like you are. Yeah, and you can do also slow motion videos with that phone. So if you're going here on more, then you will have here now the opportunity to make super slow-mo videos or slow motion videos. So the difference is that this is very slow here, but then you should have a scene which one is constantly. But if you want to do something and record it, I would always recommend you to take this slow motion video, because then you can create it completely as you want. So just go here on a slow motion, also on a basic slow motion. And now if I start the recording and move my hand, I hope you have a better scene than me. So then let's have a look how it looks like. So this is the slow motion video here. And yeah, by the way, if you're going here on video sound, you can off also the sound of the video, what I recommend to you. And now you have here these bars. And we need here the little points to, all what is including these bars here now is on slow-mo. Now, as you can see, all what's on the bars here is in slow-mo, so you can make it smaller or longer, and everything what is clear here is in the basic speed. So slow-mo, and if we cross now the bar again, we are at the basic speed, and come back now to the slow motion. And as I said, you can change these bars for your video. So now we are at the last point here. It's about augmented reality. So let me show you what it is and what it means. So go just here on more again. So then you will see here the AR zone. So it could be that you can that you have to do an update first and so on now at the Galaxy store, and then you can choose now the stuff you want to do. Maybe this AR doodle here. So now you have to recognize my face first. You have to find my face. I put it like this. I come a bit over, so, and now I can draw some stuff like maybe a head, and this is moving now. Can you see that? The head is now moving, or I can make a smile, and now it's moving with me, and I can do so much more stuff with that. It's okay. It's like a game. It's not really useful, but hey, it's a nice tool, and I can create also my own emoji who looks a bit similar like me, and or I can use already pre-installed stuff like this animation here. Can you see that? So you have to find my face first, and now I'm speaking like the dinosaur here. So this is something what you can really try, and yeah, now I'm into a scene here as well, and yeah, why not? You can do this by the way also with others. You can change the cam here and do this also with your family and so on. I think the children will like it, and yeah, I hope I could show you some nice stuff here for your Samsung Galaxy M21. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.